Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Patreon to bank account in the USA, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from Patreon to your bank account in the USA, start by logging into your Patreon account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your creator dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Payouts tab in the menu. Here, you will see your total earnings and the available payout options. Next, click on the Withdraw button. You may be prompted to set up your bank account if you haven't done so yet. Select Add Bank Account to enter your banking details. Fill in the required fields, including your account name, account number, and routing number. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. After entering your bank details, save the changes. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Payouts page. Look for the amount you wish to withdraw. Click the Withdraw button next to the available balance. You will be given a confirmation screen to finalize your withdrawal. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. If all looks well, confirm the withdrawal. Patreon will process your request and send the funds to your bank account. Typically, it can take a few business days for the transfer to complete. Check your bank account after a few days to verify the deposit. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Patreon support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.